confident, and hardworking mom. Today's episode is about a topic that so many foreign men walk straight into without thinking twice about age gap relationships with Filipinas. Before you get defensive or start typing in the comments, I'm not trying to bash all Filipinas or all age gap relationships. I'm just pulling back the curtain on the immaturity, drama, and insecurity that many foreigners will face when they go down this road. You meet her online or on vacation. She is beautiful, young, and full of energy. She calls you baby after three messages. You are flattered and maybe even feeling 20 years younger, but that's the fantasy phase. Once the initial spark fades, reality creeps in. That 20, 25, or 30 years age gap means you're from completely different worlds. You want pace and stability. She might still want to party or dance on take two and post selfies with every cup of milk tea she buys. You start noticing the generation gap, and with it, the drama begins. Immaturity does not just mean childish behavior. It means decision making based on emotions, not logic. A young Filipina in her late teens or early 20s may still be learning how to negative relationships. She may believe that constant texting, calling, and social media posting equals love, but to you, it might feel like suffocation. If you take a few hours to reply because you're busy, suddenly she thinks you're losing interest. She might throw a tantrum, block you, or post sad quotes on Facebook for everyone to see. This is not about being good or bad, it's about emotional maturity, and it often takes life experience to develop. Drama sells in her world, whether it's family gossip, friend conflicts, or making you jealous on purpose to tease your love. You might feel like you're in a soap opera you never auditioned for. Some of the drama is cultural because the Philippines has a very community oriented society, which means everyone has an opinion about your relationship. Age gaps are still a hot topic, and she will be under pressure from friends, family, and social media comments. Unfortunately, some will stir the pot, and she may bring those insecurities straight to you. Age gap relationships often come with an insecurity storm. She is insecure that you might leave her for someone younger or prettier. You might be insecure that she's talking to guys her own age behind your back. If she has constant doubts, she may demand proof of your loyalty, checking your phone, asking for location updates, or fishing for reassurance every day. If you have doubts, you might start controlling her movements, telling her what she can and can't post online. This turns the relationship into a prison instead of a partnership. Insecurity, left unchecked, can destroy even the most loving connection. I am not saying age gap relationships with Filipinas are doomed, but they require twice the patience, twice the communication, and twice the emotional maturity from both partners. If you walk and thinking beauty alone will carry you through, you're in for a rude awakening. So before you jump headfirst into a 20 plus year age gap relationship, ask yourself, can I handle the immaturity, drama, and insecurity that might come with it? Or am I just chasing a fantasy that could turn into a nightmare? Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.